we be ant proof that quick, guys, that quick. Okay, all right, now got a pile of 2-framers, need more, lots more. Our Queen Factory supplies right there. That will be actually the cell builder and finisher. There is our mother colony, our breeder, one of probably many. That has got the Oprah Queen in it. I had to add another box. These guys are just blowing it up, guys, like you wouldn't believe. It's just, they're on fire. They are on fire, okay? These guys are on fire over here. I don't know if we're gonna have a swarm scenario there or what we got going on there. It's a possibility. Yeah. So we got basically the Martin, Michigan Martin ant-proof deal, and here is our box. Here's our latest design. You know, it's sitting on, they're sitting on 1.5 inches. What you're doing here, sitting on 1.5 inches, and you've got a moat there, you see. It's a moat. And I cut these flashing 5-inch square. You've got a cat food can. These are 5-inch square. So you've got some overhang. We won't have any rain issues. I don't see any rain issues happening here, and dust issues and leaves and whatnot coming in. So I think that'll work fine. And I mean, you know, you're a little wiggly, but when you put all this weight on here, it's going to be fine. Here's our latest box. This is our latest 2-frame box. I bored I happen to have 11/16 paddle. I blew through there. I've cut a little 5/8 slot here, so you can just take a I just got a needle that I stick in here when I want to access these. I stick a needle in here and lift that up, a little T-pin. And there's the bottom, very simple. 8 screen with a cleat on each end. These are dipped, by the way, in tall earth. The whole box is dipped in tall earth. The sides are totally out of free pallet wood. Like I said, I did buy the studs for the ends. I like that. A lot of the fellas are saying you can make the ends out of the pallet wood. Yes, you can. You could do that, but I want a nice fatty piece, solid piece for the ends. That's where I went with a nice spruce stud here. So I've got basically at the high end, time you do this, paint, screws, taller dipping, the wire, everything, I may have $4 in this box, tops. That's it. Lids, here's a lid right here, guys. Pallet wood, I burned it out. It's 4.5 inches. It's 4.5 inches. I've got a little hang here, a little hang here. This pallet wood varies, doesn't matter. These holes, doesn't matter. You got holes in there. See that daylight coming through there? No big deal. When I'm going to paint these, they've been disc dipped in tall earth. They're going to dry. If there's any bow in it, if there's any bow diddly in this wood, like there is slightly this way here, very slight, I will put that down, right? I'm going to paint these also. When you slop on your house paint, I lay it on thick. I lay it on thick. I hit the ends, sides, top, and the paint will run down in here. If there's any voids at all coming through here, the bees immediately propolis it shut. I do not paint the underside. The bees will shellac that wood. Matter of fact, the entire inside of this hive is not painted. It is dipped in tall earth. It's got a gray patina color on it. This wood was very blonde until I dipped it in tall earth, and then it turns a gray patina. All right, so that's that. What you're going to do here, come all the way to the end here. You set a box this way. Entrance this way. You turn the next one that way and go right down. I can get, I don't know how many on here. There's a bunch. We can put a bunch on here. I haven't laid it out yet. But we'll get rocking and rolling later down the road, and you can see how many I'm going to put on here and how many of these I want to set up. I really couldn't get good ant protection with using the pipes, okay? And that sticky stuff I was putting on there, that tree stuff, I can't think of the name of it right off the bat, but it's nasty. It is so nasty, guys. I don't want to use it anymore. I have a tub in here. I think it's going in the dumpster. What the problem is with that stuff is, and I used it for a long time, and it does work for a few weeks. The first sandstorm you get, and it blows sand across, it sticks. Well, what do you got then? You got a bridge. Yeah, guys, you got an ant bridge, and it's worthless. Totally worthless. So anyway, this will work good. I think this will work fine. Little Martin's idea on this deal here. So save your cat food cans and tune this up. A little bit of flashing material, and go down to your buddy, your mechanic shop, take you a little jug, use motor oil on it. He'll give you all the free oil you want, and so you can keep your reservoirs filled. I don't think I'll have to check this thing but about every 6 months. Them reservoirs, it's not going to evaporate. It's going to sit in there like friggin' tar. And Martin's run a lot of testing on it. He said the ants will not cross that. They will not cross that motor oil. Just make sure that your little block of wood, which is it was 1.5 inches square, 1.5 inches square, sits in the center of that oil. All right, just one staple in the top's all you need to hold the flashing in place. I did, as you saw, put a little silicone on it to ooey gooey it together, and yeah, I think we got a success story here. I gotta go now, guys. I'd like to talk to you all day, but I gotta go cook a ribeye steak right now. Yeah, ribeye a day will keep the doctor away. See you soon, guys. I hope this helps you get out there and make some queens. Spring has sprung, baby. See ya.